everyone, I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to install CertainTeed Drywall. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a drill with a Phillips tip bit or drywall bit, some drywall screws, a razor blade, pencil, and tape measure. You will also need something to use as a straight line, whether it be a T-square or a level. First thing we want to do is find out how big of a piece we need of drywall. So we'll take our tape measure and take a quick measurement. So now we'll grab our drywall, pull it over, take our pencil and put a mark onto our drywall. Now we'll cut our drywall on our mark. After we have our drywall cut, we'll stand on the back side, put our knee right in the middle of the drywall, and fold it in half. After that, we'll use our razor blade and cut through the paper on the other side. Now that the drywall is cut, we're ready to put it into position and see how it fits. Now, we'll get a few screws in our hand, start one out into the drywall, make sure it's where we want it, and then just drill it into place. Now we'll go ahead, take another measurement, and cut a piece for the top. Now we'll grab our drywall and set it right on top of our horizontal piece. Now that our piece is up, we can tell where our studs are from the screws on the bottom piece. So we'll go ahead and drill it into place. Now you go ahead and do this across the entire area that you want to hang drywall, and the job's done. I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors. Thank you for watching, and good luck with this project.